Be careful out there, though. 'Cause
Yeah,
sometimes
yeah.
that water, even in the river, can get dangerous.
And it gets cold too, so it's a
Yeah.
good way to cool off, but you got to be careful as well. But weather-wise, guys, it's a great way to cool off during this holiday weekend. As we progress into July 4th, it's going to be around 97, partly cloudy like today was, with even a chance at rain every single day going forward. And we'll talk about that in just a moment. But first, take a look at today's numbers. 100 the high for today. That's another triple-digit day in the book, about 6 degrees above average, above normal for where we should be for early July. No rain from earlier today, but the radar is a little busy. As you can see, heat's the big story. Down to 82 feels nice in San Antonio, but out west and across the hill country already falling into the 70s. Thanks to rain-cooled air. Watch on radar how it gets a little busy. Now, most of the action tonight will remain west towards Hondo, Uvalde, towards the Hill Country, Rock Springs, and towards Kerrville. But at the moment, there is a light shower pretty much right over the station. Now has fizzled out as of this last frame at 10:18. All thanks to a couple of things. Daytime heat, temperatures so hot today, upper 90s, lower 100s. That helps bubble up showers and storms, and also an outflow boundary that moved in from the north. And what that did was spark off just spotty rain. But inside the city right now, mostly light stuff along I-10, just south of Schertz and near downtown San Antonio, and along I-35 as well. But the more widespread action is out west near Hondo, Highway 90, Castroville. None of this is severe, but it is generating a lot of lightning, a lot of electricity in this storm, which, by the way, just as of right now, a flood aerial advisory has been issued by the Weather Service for southwestern Medina County and parts of Zavala County as well until 12:15, meaning over the next couple hours, as rain continues to form primarily out west, that could lead to a few high water spots, some minor flooding problems. Again, it's just an advisory for areas out west, and most of this is moving north. So again, we may just see a sprinkle, maybe a light shower in the next couple hours, but most of the more widespread storm activity will stay out west. And as a matter of fact, moving into portions of Medina, Zavala County towards Batesville, Highway 57 near La Pryor, south of Uvalde. Pretty large thunderstorm that is really strong at no severe criteria parameters on this storm. No hail, no strong straight line winds, just a lot of electricity, a lot of lightning and a lot of heavy rain, again, over Batesville, just south of Uvalde. In addition to that, Crystal City, Asherton, and just east of Webb County and Maverick County, some more activity is really starting to light up as we start to lose the daytime heat. But again, because it was so hot today, it helped produce some of these scattered thunderstorms, primarily out west. Tomorrow's forecast, 98. We may see some of that spotty activity again tomorrow. Same time, 8, 9, 10 p.m. Just thanks to daytime heat, that may help out with bubbling up a few thunderstorms. Here's Futurecast. By midnight, most of the action out west. Maybe a light shower in San Antonio through about 5 and 6 a.m. Tomorrow morning, mostly cloudy, maybe a sprinkle. Highs in the upper 90s, near 100 degrees once again. But watch what happens. The overall pattern, this heat high, this thing that's responsible for just a lot of heat, moves away, and by midweek next week, a little bit of room for North Texas for a front to sink right in. What that's going to do is help produce several days of rain. So each evening going forward, we'll have a chance at some evening thunderstorms, and I think the best chance at rain Thursday night into Friday morning, where a cluster of storms will form out near Dallas and then move towards San Antonio in the late evening hours. We'll see how that plays out in the next couple days based on forecast models. All right, 7-day forecast tomorrow. It's 97, 10% chance rain, mainly in the evening hours. 97 on Monday. 4th of July should go off without a hitch. 20% chance at an isolated shower, very low in coverage. And if that were to happen late in the evening, 97 on Wednesday, a better chance at storms late Thursday into early Friday morning.